You can connect a third-party domain to Squarespace if you'd like to keep it registered with its current host. By entering the DNS records within your domain provider's account, your domain will point to your Squarespace site. To connect a domain, navigate to your Domains panel and select Use a Domain I Own. Enter the domain name that you'd like to connect to your site and click Connect Domain. Select your domain provider on the list. If your domain provider isn't listed, select Other. Some domain providers have an automatic setup option. We have guides for many of these like GoDaddy, Hover, or Namecheap, for example. Once you've confirmed the connection, click Continue. On the next screen, you'll see information for 6 DNS records that are required to connect your domain to Squarespace. From here, log into your domain provider's website and find where to manage your DNS settings. Depending on your provider, this may be called Zone File Settings, DNS Manager, or something similar. If you need more help adding these DNS records, we recommend contacting your domain provider directly. Once these records are added, click Refresh Records to ensure that your connection is complete. These DNS record changes usually take less than 24 hours, but sometimes may require up to 72 hours. To manage your domain and website all from within the same place, we recommend transferring your domain. With your domain hosted at Squarespace, there are no hidden fees, and we provide security via SSL and Whois Privacy for no additional charge. Let us know if you have any further questions. We are always here to help.